Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, inshallah, we are going to learn dua to seek refuge in Allah from punishment of hell, grave, and the trials of life and death, and protection from Dajjal. In one of the hadith, it is mentioned that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when any one of you has done his tashahhud during Salah, he should seek refuge in Allah against four things and say this dua. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhabi jahannam wa min adhabil khabr wa min fitnatil mahya wal mamat wa min sharri fitnatil masihid dajjal. Let us now learn this dua word by word to understand it more clearly. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhabi jahannam. Allahumma means, O Allah. Inni a'udhu bika means, I seek refuge in you. Min means from. Adhabi means the punishment. Jahannam means hell. The second sentence, wa min adhabil khabr. Wa means and, min means from. Adhabi again, it means the punishment, and khabr means grave. The third sentence, wa min fitnatil mahya wal mamat. Wa means and, min means from. Fitna means trials, mahya life, and mamat means death. Wa min sharri fitnatil masihid dajjal. From the mischief, sharri means mischief or evil, of al-Masih ad-Dajjal. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhabi jahannam wa min adhabil khabr wa min fitnatil mahya wal mamat wa min sharri fitnatil masihid dajjal. The English translation for the whole dua is, O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the punishment of hell, and from the punishment of the grave, and from the trials of life and death, and from the mischief of al-Masih ad-Dajjal. Include this dua in your daily salah, that is, after tashahhud you have to pray or recite before salam. Jazakallahu khairan.